Hi everyone, my name is John and I am the science educator for Fort Bend Children's Discovery Center. And today we are going to learn how to start your garden just using a paper roll. And we're going to specifically try to grow a sunflower. So let's get started. For this activity, you'll need water, some seeds, I'm using sunflower seeds, some soil, a paper roll. You may need some tape, that's kind of optional. And then you'll need some scissors. So when you're using scissors, please make sure to have an adult supervision while you're cutting your paper roll. And I'll show you how to do that safely. Let's get started. You'll start by making 4 different cuts on your roll. So again, with adult supervision, you'll make just 4 slits, just part of the way up your roll. This is going to be the bottom of your little planter. So once that's done, we're gonna start to fold it. I need to make this a little bigger. We're gonna fold it kind of like you would a box. So each part will kind of fold in. So now you'll have kind of a little planter pot. And this is where a little bit of tape will come in. This is mainly while you're building it. Before you plant it, you'll remove the tape and just hold your finger there while you're setting it into the ground. But now we're ready to add our soil. And this is the messy and fun part. So make sure you do this outside or over a table like I have here. So you add a little bit of soil, maybe a little bit more. And now we have a nice place to build our planter. And you'll now place one of your seeds into the soil. Maybe even add a little bit more. And now the final thing we're missing is some water. So we'll want to water our plant before we place it outside. So as this gets absorbed, what's great about this planter is that, well, one, it's going to leak just a little bit. So again, do this outside. You can keep this, if you want to place it in a bowl, you can keep it inside, or you can plant it directly outside, and then you're good to go. Thanks for tuning in today to make our planter and start your own sunflower garden. Now, if you guys are following us on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button. Again, my name is John, coming to you from Fort Bend Children's Discovery Center, and we'll see you next time.